Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Absolutely Sha. Welcome to my channel. Make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment, and if you enjoy what you see today, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. So by the title of this video, you know that I am going to do my November unboxing of a Boxycharm. So if you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription service where you receive goodies like this in this box in the mail each and every month. There is a cost for this subscription service. I believe it's roughly $26 a month, but they send you 4 to 5 full-size items, and they put pretty cool things in here. Sometimes it's makeup brands and beauty brands that you have heard of. Sometimes it's ones you may not have heard of, and you get to discover new brands and see if you like their products. So I have not opened up this box yet, so you friends will see my first reaction of what I think about all the goodies that I received in this box. So if you want to see what's inside this box, then make sure you stick around. All right, so I have not opened up the box yet, so let me go ahead and open it up for you right now. So with each box, they usually send you this postcard here. And they typically have a theme. So for the month of November, it says Harvest. This is what the postcard looks like. And on the back, they have a list of all the items that are included in your box, and they tell you what it is, and they also tell you the retail value. So I will be referring to this card as I pull out each item to tell you what it is and what it's good for, okay? Also, this month, they sent a Natasha Denona. There's a 25% off coupon that I have for that brand as well. So let's get into this box. So the first thing I'm taking out is a Peak palette. It's a Natasha Denona. So it's from this company right here that I have the coupon for. And let's see what it is. So what I'm about to open is a eyeshadow palette. The retail value of it is $48. So let me go ahead and open it up. And so this is the palette. Those are some really, really pretty colors. So it's a 5 eyeshadow palette. And the retail value of this, like I said, is $48. So that's my first full-size item. The next thing I'm taking out is the antioxidant spray toner with green and white tea extract from Dr. Brandt. Ooh, I love this brand. So this is a spray toner, and the retail value of this is $40, and it says new launch next to this. So I guess this is a new product launch from Dr. Brandt, and yeah, $40. I'm so excited to try that. All right, so that's my second full-size item. The next item I have is the Pero Primero Primer Longwear Sticky Pigment Base. This is it here, and the retail value of this is, let's see, I don't know. Give me 1 second. It's a primer. Oh, it's from Alamar Cosmetics. The retail value of this is $15. So yeah, this is a primer. Matter of fact, wait, it's a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place. So this is mostly a eyeshadow primer from Alamar Cosmetics. Retail value, $15. So that's my third full-size item. The next item I have is from Joair. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Essential Lip Enhancer inside this box. So let's open it and let's see what it is. So this is the lip enhancer, and the retail value of this is $17. So what this does is it's infused with good for you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. So the retail value of this is $17. And that is my fourth full-size item. And so the very last thing that is in my box, this is Half Caked Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. So it's a lip fondant trio. And let's see. So from the card, it's liquid lipsticks is what it is. And when I open it up, this is what's inside. So it's 3 of them. And so this is the first shade, which is very, very pretty. This color is Theme Song. So that looks very pretty. Let's open it and see. Ooh, I like the applicator tip on this. So this is Theme Song. So that's one. And then the next one in here is, this is Low Key. This is the color. And when I open it, that's what that looks like. And the next one is Boradex. This is Boradex. And that's what that shade looks like. So it's a lipstick trio, liquid lipstick trio. And the retail value of this is $17. And again, this is by Half Kate, $17. And that's my 5th full-size item. So as you can see, I received 5 full-size items in my Boxycharm box this November, and I only paid $26. So if you like beauty, you like makeup, you like to try out various different brands, then I highly, highly suggest that you check out Boxycharm. If you haven't heard of them, go ahead, visit their website. I will have my referral link in the description box below. I am no way affiliated. Sorry, I'm having a hard time talking today. I am no way affiliated with Boxycharm, but I just really like this subscription service, and I like to make videos showing you guys what I receive every month. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my very next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.